Today we're unboxing the MTX Thunder3 audio system, which is an all-in-one replacement for RideCommand equipped RZR owners who are looking to take their sound to the next level without splicing. Let's check it out. Inside the box we have a pair of 6.5 MTX front speaker pods with rugged wiring harnesses, a pair of amps, one for speakers and one for the sub, a 10-inch subwoofer and its enclosure, and everything you need for a complete plug-and-play installation without splicing. The speaker pods, just showing one of two, install super easy into the kick panels and are UV and water resistant, which means you can bump through just the deepest of mud pits. The two included amps are marine rated Class D units offering a combined 400 watts, which pairs real nice with the 10-inch subwoofer that has a ported enclosure. This is designed for 2014 RZR models on up with RideCommand. These will not work with any other Polaris legacy audio systems. So if you want a full feature system that's going to deliver a lot of sound and hold up to everything nature has to throw at it, check out the MTX Thunder3 audio system. You won't regret it. We have it now at DennisKirk.com.